Welcome friends. Welcome to my channel C Coaching Classes. I am your friend Siddhant. Last videos we discussed energy, types of energy, free fall, potential energy, kinetic energy, and some examples. In this video, we discuss a point power. Before that, think, can your father climb stairs as fast as you can? No, my father cannot climb stairs as fast as I can. The answer of first. Then second, will you fill the overhead water tank with the help of bucket or electric motor? Overhead water tank can be easily filled with the help of electric motor rather than filling it with bucket. Third number question. Suppose Rajashree, Yash and Ranjit have reached the top of small hill. Rajashree went by car. Yash went cycling while Ranjit went walking. If all them choose the same path, who will reach the first and who will reach last? While climbing up the small hill, Rajashree will reach first, Yash will reach second, and Ranjit will reach third because car moves faster than the cycle and camel walking. Then, in the above examples, the work done is the same in each example, but the time taken to perform the work is different. Work is same, the work same असणार आहे, okay, but the time taken to perform the work is different. For each person or each method, the fast or slow rate of a work done expressed in terms of power, and power is the rate at which work is done. If W amount of work is done in time t taken, then power is equals to work upon time is formula P is equal to W upon T. Then explanation is here. Some examples are given. The fast or slow means मेथड मध्ये फास्ट असू दे किंवा स्लो असू दे, ज्याप्रमाणे आपलं वर्क काम करायचंय किंवा काहीतरी कार्य करायचंय, वर्क करायचंय, हे पॉवर ह्या टर्म मध्ये एक्सप्रेस करून घ्यायचं. आणि पॉवर इज द रेट ऍट विच वर्क इज डन. पॉवर ही जे मेथड आहे किंवा जी काही पद्धत आहे ही वर्क इज डन, वर्क पूर्ण झाले का ह्या संबंधीमध्ये ते परफॉर्म करतं म्हणून सांगितलं. ही डेफिनेशन आहे. पॉवर्स इज द रेट ऍट विच वर्क इज डन. वर्क होतं का नाही आणि त्या किती रेट मध्ये होतं, किती अप्रॉक्सिमेट होतं ते चेक करायला आपण पॉवर ही डेफिनेशन वापरतो किंवा क्वांटिटी वापरतो. Then if W amount of work done in time t, then power is equals to formula work upon time. वर्क अपॉन टाइम. तुम्ही जे वर्क करणार आहे ते वर घ्यायचं आणि टाइम खाली घ्यायचं. इज कॉल्ड एज अ पॉवर. P is equals to W upon T. W upon T. In SI system, the work is done. In SI system, जर चेक केला, जर वर्क वगैरे चेक केला, then वर्क मध्ये जूल हे त्याचं युनिट आहे. So the unit of power is a joule per second. Joule per second. This is called as a joule per second. This is called as a watt. SI system मध्ये वर्क युनिट जूल आहे आणि त्याचं पॉवरचं जर युनिट बघितला तर जूल पर सेकंद देतो मी सांगितलं, त्याला वॅट म्हणायचं. 1 watt is equals to 1 joule divided by 1 second. And in industrial sector, the unit used to measure power is called horsepower, and 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. हे पेपरला महत्वाचं आहे. 1 horsepower is equal to 1 HP is equals to 746 watt. The scientist आहेत. The steam engine was invented by 1781 by the Scottish scientist James Watt. This invention brought about an industrial revolution मध्ये खूप मोठं उद्योगधंद्यामध्ये खूप मोठी उत्क्रांती केली तिने स्टीम इंजिनचा शोध लावल्यानंतर. Unit of power is called watt in his honor, and James Watt was the first used term horsepower. आणि जेम्स वॅटने सांगितलं की हॉर्स पॉवर ही पहिली आपली मेथड आहे किंवा टर्म आहे ही पॉवर काउंट करण्यासाठी. हॉर्स पॉवर म्हणजे जे अश्वशक्ती म्हणतो आपण त्याला, म्हणजे घोड्याची शक्ती. जे अश्वशक्ती म्हणतो ना ते 746 वॅट इथं आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे. इन दिस युनिट ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर कमर्शियल यूज, कमर्शियल मध्ये किलो वॅट म्हणतात, किलो वॅट आवर, kilowatt hour. 1000 joule work performed in 1 second is 1 kilowatt power. Means 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1000 watt into 1 hour चं जे कन्व्हर्जन करून घ्यायचं 3600 सेकंड. Therefore 36,000,000 joule means all these calculations come to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Means 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 raised to 6 joule. Electricity used for domestic purpose is measured in units of kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 unit. हे पेपरला अतिशय महत्वाचं इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर पेपर. 1 किलोवॅट आवर तुम्हाला विचारतात आणि त्याचं एक्सप्रेशन तुम्हाला हे डिस्कस करून सांगतात म्हणून सांगितलं. देन पेज नंबर 28 वर तुम्ही गेला. Then you get some solid example. First example, Swarali takes 20 seconds to carry a bag within weighting a 20 kilogram to height of 5 meter. How much power has to be used? Here m is equal to 20 kg, h is equals to 5 meter and t is equals to 40 seconds. The force which applied, the force which has to applied by Swarali, F is equals to mg 20 into 9.8 means 196 Newton. Work done by Swarali to carry the bag to weight of 5 meter. Here is a given 5 meter. Therefore, we use W is equals to F into S, force into displacement. Then 196 into 5 is 980 joule. Here is the formula. W is equal to Fs. Last time we discussed F is equal to mg is main formula. Then we get power is equals to work upon time. Means 980 upon 40. 980 upon 40. Then next example number second. A 25 watt electric bulb is used and for 10 hours every day, and we discuss how much electricity or consume each day. Is P is equal to 25, W is equal to 0.025 kilowatt. Energy consumed is equals to power into time 0.025 into 10, that is 0.25 kilowatt hour. It is the answer for energy. Very important formula. Energy consumed is equals to power into time. In first example, if there is some calculation miss here, uh, 0 take cancel, therefore 4 divided by 98, his answer is 24.5 watt. Here answer is 24.5. Therefore these are two examples given in the book page number 28. This is end for that chapter. We discuss in this chapter work, its a type, positive work, negative work, zero work, energy, kinetic energy, potential energy, expression, then free fall, and then we discuss power. Okay, let's subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment also. Thank you very much.